take a look at this, everything that blows in your home is being blown through this fan. This is a new fan. This is an existing fan. Take a look at the difference of how, do you see how nasty that looks there? Take a look at this one. Do you see how clean those fan blades are? This dust and dirt, even if you get back in there, all of that dust and dirt is blowing into your home. So when we talk about the air in your home, when the EPA says the air in your home is 5 times more unhealthy than the air outside, this is one of the things that we're talking about. So maintenance is so crucial, because when you're sneezing and you have all these allergies, we put on masks, we take our meds and everything, but this is a big part of it. This is why we're serious about HVAC maintenance. Now, if you take a look at this also, this is another reason why HVAC maintenance is so important. This here is a heat exchanger. This is in every furnace. Now, inside of this heat exchanger are dangerous products of combustion, carbon monoxide being one of them. When these things crack, like this one does, they rust, they get old. It's just a matter of time before they do that. When they get holes in them, then oftentimes you have dangerous products of combustion coming into the house. Like I said, carbon monoxide being the most dangerous one. This is another reason why we stress HVAC maintenance. Yes, the system may be working well. Yes, the house may be cool. Yes, the house may be warm, but there's other reasons to have someone put eyes on that system at least twice per year. This is Michael from AC Man Heating and Air. Thanks for watching.